Yeah, we were at Hindustan Unilever. So here we can say earlier we were in the cell on the daily structure what it says. See, earlier we were at this point and discussing that this might be the A and the smaller B. We are going to go for the C. So this is C also a little bit slower. That's fine. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the downside. And again, after this, we might see one up. That will be comparatively this like A and B and C structure. That will be completing this. And after that, we might see. So that will be for this. This will be A and B and C. Okay. So as of now, on the daily structure, it is for the fifth wave for the downside. But we'll see in hourly chart what it is making. On the hourly, let's say this is the downside and this is the upside, or if we consider this as a down, it's fine. Here, if I see for downside, it is very slow. Let's say this as a or somewhere around here it has started something. So there 1, 2, maybe this is 3, 4, or 5. So now here there is a chance it might come little bit up before it can go any further down. So there is a chance it will go and cross the high, or at least to the 80%, that is 2170 or something. On the hourly chart, this Hindustan Unilever is looking for the buy, not for the sell, because if you see this is a slower and now the one big candle, and for this at least it will go to high, that is 2180, and maybe to the level of 2200 level. So look for the buy, not to sell, because this is a faster and slower consolidation. There is a chance it will be completing A, B, and C structure. Okay. TCS. So as discussed earlier, so look for the buy at least for the one top, that is a previous high. Okay. If you see this total long consolidation, there is a one more up. There is a chance like it will be going for the upside. So look for the buy, not to sell. Okay, at least 80 to 100% of this. That will be 2360 or 2360 or 2240. So look for the buy, not to sell for 2300 and 2350 level. Okay. One we will look for Bajaj Finance. So everyone will ask for that. Now you can like type your questions so that we'll be looking those charts. Bajaj Finance, still there is a buy side or buy chance. No sell yet, because there is structurally hasn't changed anything much. Okay, so here it will be up for me, at least one up. Let's take only this. This is a faster movement, and now it is a slower correction for the downside. And after that, this will be the upside movement, and this is a consolidation. So what we can expect here is a little bit up. That will be completing A and B and C. And for that, at least it will be coming to the level of maybe 3830 or 3800. So this level might be reversing. If it is faster, then we'll be looking for the sell. But as of now, you can look for the buy setup for at least 3800 and 3825. Okay, look for the buy, not to sell. See, all the in 10 stocks, maybe one or two stocks that will be for the sell confirmation. All charts are remaining that one up is still pending. So we'll see how Monday will turn out. Okay. So make sure that you will be asking here the time frame too, so that it will be helping us. NTPC, daily and weekly. Okay. NTPC. First we go weekly. weekly and then we'll come for the daily. On the weekly basis, this is like a upside move after this consolidation or whatever the structure it has completed, A, B, or 1 or 2. Now it is for the C, keeping the low of 85. If it goes below that, the structure will change. Otherwise, we will be staying in a buy. So here in case of daily also nothing had changed much. But if it like slower, if it comes downside, so there is a good chance it will be going to go for one more up. So that will be completing A, B, and C. If you want to like enter again, so on the confirmation only one should enter. For example, I'm going still little bit lower time frame. Let me take this chart to hourly. So whenever it gives a confirmation, that is on the trend line breakout or in two-stage confirmation, so that will be our buying point in any time frame. If you go a little bit like a 5 minute chart, on the basis of 5 minutes you can buy, there is no doubt in that. On the basis of 5 minutes one can buy and keep the stop loss for 5 minutes. Okay, for example, this is the buy. If it crosses in lesser time, and stay, keep the stop loss of this, and whenever it breaks we will be looking, or else like if you bought already, again add the trend line, and whenever it gives confirmation, sell it and wait still structure to complete, then reverse the same things. So here in case of daily and weekly, there is a buy, still there is a one up, is a chance. So look for the buy, not to sell. Tata Chemicals. On the daily structure hasn't changed much. Trade for wave C, yes, it is there. Maybe I'm adjusting a little bit up for the support and resistances as it goes inside the channel. Until and unless it crosses the level of this, that is 291 in lesser time, maybe time has got over as per the uh, daily chart. For example, this is the lowest point and this is the highest point, time has got over. So there is a chance if it is coming downside also, then it will be considered as the part of the correction. Let's say this is the A and this will be the B and this will be the C. It will be coming for the down. But after that, if it is not crossing the level of 280 or 290, then we'll be looking for one more up. That is for the C. That is A, B, and C. Okay, look for the buy. Again, there is no structurally change until and unless it crosses the 290 level.
So Eclairx and Dixon.
Yeah, we'll see.
Sir, on weekly?
Oh, wait. Weekly also there is structurally hasn't changed much, man. Here there is a V reversal.
That's what I want to.
That this is a correction. If it comes little bit down also, there is no doubt. So again it will be going to go for the 1 hour. To buy, not to sell.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Why you see B going on daily? Okay. You see looking B. Okay, looking buy you are saying.
No, I'm saying it's looking wave B in the daily chart. I mean,
Okay.
it's good for buy.
Okay, fine. So on the daily chart, okay. Yeah, it is in the B way. Yes, correct. So it might be like 1 or 2 or ABC for For that, it will be A and B and C. So one can look for the buy setup in this after giving the confirmation. Let's take in the daily or hourly chart. In the hourly, like this will be the so here if it is crosses, then it's fine. Let me take this as a like 1 and 2, or here it's a 3 and 4, or something has ended in a fifth wave. Then we'll be seeing one more up. So here I'm looking at buy setup on the basis of 15 minutes or on the daily basis. What the structure is saying. Let me see. On the daily basis, there is no confirmation yet, but once it crosses this level of 84 or 85 on the closing basis, so we can look for the buy for keeping the stop loss of 82 above 85 for at least like trend line top. That can be the minimum. So if I am thinking this is the lowest point, it is not going to go further down.
The target is 98 to 108.
Presently, it is like just I think in terms of firstly it will go to this top, so 93, 94. Okay, I'm thinking only it will go. There might not be, because after this, if some complex correction has come again, it will come to the 84 level and then it will go. There is a possibility. So firstly, to the channel stop, that is first. And before that, it will be maybe this. So it will come to this. If it crosses, I'll be thinking this. If it crosses, then I'll be thinking this. Okay. So firstly, 92, 93, then we'll be looking for this. And surely there is a chance that will be going to go for ABC. So look for buy. Looking good. Chart is looking good for buy. Okay. And MGL daily. Okay. Daily structure hasn't changed much. So here, if I'm considering any low or any high, it is slower. Let's take this is slower downside, maybe to the level of 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Then it will be going to go for one more. So look for buy, not to sell, until and unless it crosses the level in lesser time. Okay, that might not happen in case of Lupin as of now, because that is a slower one. So look for buy, not to sell in case of Lupin. The structure has definitely changed, because if I look, this is the lowest point, right? Structure has changed. Now we'll be looking for the sell setup. Once it crosses the low of 893, we'll be looking for the downside. Okay, so here you might be taking this total structure as A, and this will be the B, or this will be the B. So now it is going for the C. So there is a chance it might come to the downside, or at least for this, and there is a possibility this structure will be totally a complex one. Okay, but as of now, the structure has changed. Look for the sell setup for at least a recent supports, maybe to the level of 860, or 80% will be like 775. So from the top to bottom. So now it will be like A. This is B, or this B. Now this is for the C for the downside. If it comes a little bit up, also look for the sell opportunity for the downside. Because something structurally has changed and it crossed in lesser time. Again, if it like moves inside the channel, then there is a chance here it will come, but that is looking little less possible. So look for the sell setup below 890 for 775 and even for the 667. M&M daily and weekly. Mahindra and Mahindra. The daily structure, nothing has changed. So one can look for the buy setup, not to sell it. Okay, there is nothing changed. This is a bigger candle, means for the upside. So exactly, it is taking support there. So look for the buy, not to sell. HDFC Life on daily. Okay. HDFC Life Insurance. Yeah. So this chart is ready. I think earlier we were looking this as a buy setup, maybe somewhere around from this point to this level, that is the 594 or something. So I'm removing everything now. So what is this possible way is, this is the top, this is the bottom. From this angle, this is
Neutral triangle.
Yeah, it was a neutral triangle earlier, and now it is also, the structure is similar, maybe looking like a neutral triangle itself. D and E now. So after this, it will be like a little bit correcting. After that, we will be looking one more up.
80.
Yeah. So presently, a smaller cell, maybe to the level of 38% or 50% of this total movement. Maybe to the 530, that is possible structure. Minimum is this. So internally, we need to look how it behaves here. For example, if it comes a little bit slower and start moving, then you can consider buy. And here it might come to this level. So there it can take a support. So you can look for the buy setup in case of HDFC Life Insurance. Once it crosses the trend line, you can look for the buy if it gives a confirmation for the upside. So look for buy, not to sell. Here it might be making the structure that after neutral triangle. So what will happen after the neutral triangle or head and shoulder structure?
80%.
So there is a chance it will go for the upside. Okay. Entry and SL for Reliance. Okay. Reliance Industries. See, I don't. I'm not very much happy to give the calls here, but if you want to buy here, so we'll give when to buy. Let's take, this is the trend line. We'll go a little bit lower time frames. Okay. So firstly, for this very short term, let's say this is 1 and 2 and this is 3 and 4 and 5 it is. So after completing this, let's take maybe the level of 2060 or something. Okay. Then if it is reversing and crossing this trend line, you can take the entry, keep the stop loss of this for at least first target is this trend line top. Okay, this will be your first target. So looking for 2100. So buy from the level of 2070 for 2100. Again, if you stays here, if it is little bit sharper, look after this. But if you're looking in like daily structure, you need to wait at least this high or previous level to break. That is 2196 on the daily time frame. Maybe this. Once it crosses, you can look for the buy for 2195 to 2546. Got it? SBI Life and McDowell's daily and weekly. Okay. Everyone is asking daily. I'm a little bit surprised because I think everyone has a position, so They want like in daily structure whether it has changed or not. Because most of the time for entry, they look for daily charts or sorry hourly chart or lower time frames. But to exit, they need some higher structure to change or structure to finish. Here there is a weakness, but it might take a support because it's longer. It's taking a support, and here it is downside, and already it's a second candle, and its second candle has not broke the low. So here there is a chance it might go little bit upper side structurally like this. So if it comes little bit down, also there is a chance it will go first to the down upside, then down. So look for the buy first, or you can wait for this whole structure to complete, then look for this C. Okay, it's not looking very much like on the buy side. Maybe to the level of 920 or 880 can be expected in case of SBI Life, and then we will be looking one downside. So that will be like A, B, and C because this movement is faster compared to this race. Okay. Macro. McDonald's or it's in McDonald's? MC dollar. Okay. It is there. Okay. McDowell Holdings are there. McDowell's Holding Limited is there.
United Spirits, sir.
On the first weekly, yeah, it is like a flat or a triangle. So it is a good structure, I think, for the very long term. I mean, after this completion, we will be going to the upside in the United States. But as of now, let me take a little bit lower time frames. Okay. There is a chance it might be like A and B and C, or here it will be completing this like one more little bit time taking one. After that, we'll be seeing one more up. So if you're looking for the long term, or if you're looking for the buy, you can look for the buy because this structure is like a longer consolidation to this upper side movement. So at least we'll be looking for this A, and this will be like a B. We'll be looking for the C. Look for buy, not to sell. Eclipse, E, C, L. Services
Yes, sir.
on the hourly.
Hourly.
Hourly it is for the buy. Here it might be making the structure that of the triangle or neutral triangle. So this will be like a B, C, D, and E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It comes a little bit maybe to the 80% or 703. Then we'll be seeing one more up. And from the this longer time frame or the highest or the previous level, that might be the support. So level it might be the 38% or something. Let me check. From this down, if I'm considering, yes, 3677 level that might come, and after that one up. There is
So
no,
first sell. So first sell and then buy.
you can wait for this and then look for buy. So I'm not considering it's a sell. Wait for this and look for buy because
Okay.
this is the faster moment compared to this. This will be the sharp one. Okay, so look for buy, not to sell.
Right.
This maybe it is coming to the trend line. It's on.
Hourly.
Yeah, it is hourly. Something if you take this moment, it is like a 1 2 way. After that, it is going to go for the 80%. Maybe it is at 80%, so that will be A, B, and C. And after that, if it is a little bit slower, it will be coming for the downside. So look for sell here, maybe to the triangle or to the flat.
So if I have a position, then for Monday, is it better to exit, or is there a chance of a
80%
movement upward?
you can, or else like you can keep this as like a reference level of 85.62. If it is not crossing, then it might go even for 100%. There is no doubt in that. But if it is coming down, so
Okay.
better exit in that. So that will be completing the structure like a triangle. So
Okay.
there will be a time taking.
So 8562 is the level. Above that, we can hold.
Above that, you can stay. It
Okay.
can be 95% or even to the 100%.
Right.
So
Thank
that
you.
will be completing flat. So here it is not presently looking for the flat because that is only like maybe 200% of the structure of time wise. So it might take another maybe 100% of the time. So that will be coming to the 300%. So here, if it goes upside again, so wait for this to happen and exit, then it will reverse.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, and that's, I guess we have entered and looking for the book profit and losses. Fine. IGL hourly, please. Okay, looking for that. IGL. IGL, it's fine. So if IGL is looking for the buy in the shorter term because this is the channel which is taking the support and it's moving inside the channel. And if I see only this part, this is like ABC or something, but here it's something has completed, so something has started again for the upside. So there is a chance it will be going to go for the upside. So look for the buy in case of IGL, maybe to the level of 430 or something. So look for the buy, not to sell. Okay. So because this is a slower correction, so here if it let's take, if it is time taking one, then we can say that okay, for this one more sell, and that will be completing the structure. But as of now, it's looking for the consolidation or the buy. So look for buy in case of IGL, not to sell presently. Okay. If you're buying IOC, would enter the Reliance soon. JSW still. Okay, happy to just JSW still. JSW still. Yeah, fine. So earlier we were looking this to complete at least 50% and 61%, if you remember. It beautifully works. See, in the downside market, something is moving, means the individual stock structure will definitely work, right? Earlier we were looking like if it is a ABCD, see everything has, I think there is a mention A, B, C, D, E, or like A, this is the B and C for the downside. But at least it will come to the level of 50% or 61%. I think if this chart has prepared, maybe uh, we were at this particular point, maybe at the level of 200 or something, or 200 odd levels. Maybe I shared in the group too. Okay. So now what we can see in the case of JSW Steel, so you can see some reversal, that is fine. So if it's again you are getting chance, look for the buy for 80%, that is for 358 or something. Because this structure has something changed, this is faster comparatively, but this is also faster. So there is a chance it will consolidate and spend some time here, 100 to 200% of this total raise. Then we'll be seeing one more buy. So that will be completing AB, and in an expanding triangle, let's say this A, B, C, D, E, or let's say a diametric pattern, presently like A, B, C, D, and E. If something has finished in the form of expanding, so now it will be like a new structure. We'll start from this. Okay, so look for buy because this is the upside movement and the longer consolidation, and now it started moving. So look for the buy setup, not to sell. On the hourly basis, yeah, On the hourly basis, there is everything. So there is nothing much change. So maybe this. So after this, we'll be getting one more. So look for the buy, not to sell. Mesoblast, stack. Okay. Mesoblast. This one, yeah. Okay, so I need to look this structure in a daily or in weekly first. Okay. Okay. Something structure has new started at this point. Maybe I'm considering this as a 1 and 2. So here it might be the part of third now or some ABC. That's fine. But this is for the buy, not to sell. Okay. As per this, maybe like this and this, the highest point. So on this, it might reverse a little bit. That's fine if it is reversing. Then it might go a little bit up and down, up and down. That will be completing ABC. We'll be looking for the buy. So look for the buy, not to sell. The structure wise also there is nothing changed because this reversal is sharper. After this consolidation, you can buy, or in the consolidation also you can buy. And look for this. Okay. Jindal Steel we just okay. JSW we discussed, right? Okay, Jindal will look. Jindal Steel and Power is there. Stainless. This we need to look. Jindal Steel and Power. Oh, it has moved again like brilliantly. So we were earlier looking maybe 61%, 50%, and 61%. It has the structure has changed now. So maybe to the 80% we can expect in case of Jindal Steel. And the reversal is good and sharper. There is something has broke at this level or now. One can look for the buy, not to sell. So at least for the level of 284 or maybe to the 61% or 38% of minimum this fall from top to bottom, that level will be 315 and 396. So look for buy, not to sell in case of Jindal Steel. Okay. ICICI, I think we looked at. Axis Bank will look. Okay. So here it's reversed. So now in the Axis Bank, you can look for a little bit the downside moment. You can expect it to come for the 425 or 430 level. After that, so this is again like A and total will be like a B. And for that C, you can expect come a little bit down also. So you can look for the sell setup for at least first to the 428, and if it crosses the 406 or 405 level, then for the 366 level. So look for the sell in case of Axis Bank, not to buy. MCX. Okay, MCX. Yeah, you can go for the buy. This was the neutral triangle, which is like chart has already prepared. I think this is the old chart A, B, C, D, E, and after that this is a new thing. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is now a correction part. Okay, after this correction, this structure, so we'll be seeing one more. Okay. From this longer time.
It's near, sir. It's near correction point, right? 1550 somewhere.
Yes, 1550 or 1480. Maybe if Nifty fall is faster, it will come a little bit downside. So you can use that opportunity to buy. For
okay. But for daily, sir.
Yeah, it is hourly, and for the daily.
I'm holding long for long.
Yeah, you can hold. Daily also nothing will change. 1, 2, 3, 4 at smaller correction we can expect, and after that one more.
Right. Okay, sir.
But
Thank you.
If you want to exit, don't exit here. If you want to exit, exit to the general stop. If you don't get a if you didn't get an opportunity, then wait for the correction, add some, and the average will be good. After that, we can exit again.
Okay. That will be at 1480 also somewhere.
Yeah, 1480.
Right.
anything else. So we might, there is a 3 minutes time left. So if anything is there, you can ask. But in Nifty, like if I'm looking only for these 10 Nifty stocks, those are not looking like exactly they're turned for the sell. So here I need to look the chart for the 30 minutes or a little bit lower time frame and the possibility of if it not crossing this 11.
But so with Dow closing green, will it have any positive? And plus the Indo-China tension is gone. Will it still change anything will change as far as the technical perspective is concerned?
Technical perspective, I am not thinking like everything will change because this is something has very much hold still positive because this is for the downside.
Okay.
If something has to go upside, then there is only one way on the chart basis. If I'm discussing, let's say this has to make a flat first. So to make a flat, what it needs to do, for example, this is like a and this is like B, and after that it will be going for the B. So this will be B. So after that, what will happen? B. For the C, it has to spend the time and the consolidation. Then we can say, okay, now it is not going to fall. We're going to go for the upside. But that has to happen, and for that you need to wait for another 10 to 12 days.
Right. Okay.
So in 10 to 12 days, the picture will change definitely. But whatever the news, if it is positive also, as per this, I'm not comfortable after this moment. That's
Okay.
something has broken in the chart or something has happened that won't change very easily because the news will come at the plan. Means now if someone is looking like okay, the everything is settled, then they'll be thinking for the buy and everyone will exit and down. But anyway, as per the chart, there is no buy. But
Sir, Adani transmission.
okay. So as per this, we can expect some 61% or 80% retracement.
Okay.
A little bit slower, man, but it's fine. It is like something has started here, then it's maybe 1 and 2. It's part of the third, or so just 80%.
Up to 4.
80% it can like we can expect it to go.
Mm.
80% will be 314 or something. So this is for the buy only. There is no structurally change as of now. Still, we can expect it to go and meet the 315 or 360 level.
Yeah. And Adani Green, sir, is it, I mean, because I'm